Hey everyone, welcome to our final assembly for religious school for this year. It's pretty strange that we can't be together in person, but how good it has been that even in the midst of this crazy time that we're all experiencing, that we have been able to find ways to connect with each other, and how good that connection is. Hine matov umanaim. Shevet Achim Gam Yachad, how good it is that we could be together. Yalai, 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 Hine matov Manayim Shevet Achim Gam Yachad. 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 How good it is, how sweet it is to be together on this day. How good it is, how sweet it is to be together on this day. Hine matov manayim shevet achim gam yachad. Hine matov manayim shevet achim gam yachad.
Hi, everyone. I wish I could see you all in person. This is just a picture of the temple. I can't wait for the time that we are actually in temple together, spending time with one another. I know this has been a pretty crazy time of our history. This is something that you're going to be thinking back with your kids about and telling stories about. And I want to tell you, you are all doing so well during this really difficult time, including the teachers and the administration and your parents. I know everyone is working so hard, and you have done a great job so far, and we're still going to do a great job in the future. This reminds us how important it is to be part of a community. We are spending our time connecting with one another, making sure that people feel safe and that people feel cared for. That's part of what it means to be part of a community. And you can do your part by continuing to reach out to your friends, reaching out to your family members, maybe older people who need someone to call them and to check in with them, or younger people who need to have friends call them. That's the way we show our love for one another, because I hope that you have love for one another, but I want you especially to know that we have love for you. So I want you to have a good summer. Feel free to reach out to us. We want to keep on connecting with you. So we'll talk to you soon, and have a good and safe summer. Bye-bye.
So one of the things that we want to teach all of you is that it is our responsibility together to build a world that is filled with love and with kindness. Olam Chesed Yibaneh. Let's sing together. Olam Chesed Yibaneh. Yadadai, yadai, yadadai. Chesed Yibaneh, Yadadai, Yadai, Yadadai, Olam Chesed Yibaneh, Yadadai, Yadai, Yadadai, Olam Chesed Yibaneh, Yadadai.
Hi, everyone. It's so great to see you and to be with you. I've enjoyed spending Sunday mornings with you and being in and out of each of the classes and seeing how fabulous our virtual learning has been going. We wanted to make sure to do some of the things that we would normally do on our final day. And so one of the most important things that we do each final day is to thank our teachers and our madrachim. We are so lucky to have the most amazing teachers and amazing madrachim. And so I'm lucky to work with them. And so we want to thank each one and every single one of them. And I hope that you'll clap for your teachers and for your madrachim and that you'll thank them as well, because it's important that they hear thanks from you too. They work so hard. And our teachers have done such a great job of bringing our school to you virtually. We've not missed a beat. We're so proud of that. And so we want to recognize each and every one of them separately. So first in our office, we have Heidi. Thank you, Heidi. And Sophia. Sophia, you're fantastic. And our kindergarten teacher is Ricky. Yay. And our madrachim in kindergarten are Gwen, Eric, and Ilana. In first grade, we have Lisa Keats. And we are so happy to have Lisa, and we're so sad that you'll be leaving us after 6 years, Lisa. Thank you so much. We will miss you. And our madrachim for first grade are Lauren, Jacob, and Alyssa. In second grade, we have Gigi Dichter. And our second grade madrachim are Sarah, Alex, and Colin. Thank you all. Third grade, Risa's our teacher. And our madrachot are Haley and Rachel. Our fourth grade teacher is Carolyn. And our madrachim are Evan and Ava. Thank you, all of you. Fifth grade, David Rosenblum. David, we are really going to miss you after 25 years. It's hard to imagine our school without you. We're so sorry you'll be leaving, but know that you'll be around. And our fifth grade, also our madrachim are Jacob, Ben, and Izzy. Our sixth grade teacher, Lisa Elbaum, and our madrachim are Trevor, Sam, Alex, and on Wednesdays it's Garrett. So thank you all. A couple of madrachot, who are graduating. We have Ilana and Alex. We wish you the best of luck. They'll be graduating 12th grade and unfortunately won't be with us next year. We'll miss you guys, but thank you so much. Our confirmation class, we have a lot of kids who are being confirmed this next October. They were supposed to be in May, but we're putting it off a little bit, and it's been so much fun being one of your teachers. And those being confirmed are Sophia and Gwen, Lauren, Alyssa, Alex, Haley, Rachel, Evan, Ava, Ben, Izzy, Trevor. There we go. That's all of them. That's a lot, aren't they? I hope that all of you will choose to be madrachim, that you will continue in religious school and stay on and be just like your amazing madrachim. So again, thank you to our teachers and thank you to our madrachim. We couldn't do it without you. We would not be the amazing, wonderful school that we are if we didn't have each and every one of you. Thank you so much. Miriam's song. And the women dancing with their timbrels followed Miriam as she sang her song. Sing a song to the one whom we've exalted. Miriam and the women danced and danced the whole night long. And Miriam was a weaver of unique variety. The tapestry she wove was one which sang our history. With every strand and every thread she crafted her delight. A woman touched with spirit who dances towards the light. And the women dancing with their timbrels followed Miriam as she sang her song. Sing a song to the one whom Miriam and marched to the promised land. And the women dancing with their timbrels followed Miriam as she sang her song. Sing a song to the one whom we've exalted. Miriam and the women danced and danced the whole night long. And Miriam the prophet took her timbrel in her hand, and all the women followed her just as she had planned. And Miriam raised her voice in song, she sang with praise and might. We've just lived through a miracle, we're going to dance tonight. And the women dancing with their timbrels followed Miriam as she sang her song. Sing a song to the one whom we've exalted. Miriam and the women danced and danced the whole night long. And the women dancing with their timbrels followed Miriam as she sang her song. Sing a song to the one whom we've exalted. Miriam and the women danced and danced the whole night long.
And one of the ways that we think is the best way for us to build that world filled with love is by using the teachings of our Torah in order to make our world a better place, because we call our Torah the tree of life. It gives us roots that go all the way down into the ground and help make us the strongest kind of people that we can be. So let's sing Tree of Life together. Shalom, 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 shalom. It is a tree of life to those that hold fast to it, and all of its supporters are happy. It is a tree of life to those that hold fast to it, and all of its supporters are happy. Shalom, 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 shalom. Eitz chaim ilach machazikim b'betoncha, be'oshar eitz chaim ilach machazikim b'betoncha, be'oshar. Shalom, 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 shalom.
Well, this is the end of our assembly, and I know you're going to have class right now, and you'll get to say goodbye to your friends for the school year and think about all that you've learned. I know it's been a great year for you. It's been a great year for me, and I'm really hoping that you have a wonderful summer. 3rd through 6th graders, you will continue learning Hebrew all summer long. Your teachers will be tutoring you, and I know it's going to be wonderful. So keep in touch. I'll be around, happy to talk with all of you, any of you. Just give me a call or send me an email, and I'm really looking forward to seeing you again in September. Have a wonderful, wonderful summer. It's been fantastic learning with you. Bye-bye. Shalom, להתראות.